Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful Christmas decoration ideas. Different Xmas tree decoration ideas in this video, and Christmas decorations bring happiness, light and warmth into our homes. When we decorate, we are not only making our house beautiful, but we are also spreading love and positive feelings. Always remember, decoration is not about money, it is about creativity and heart. A Christmas tree is the most important decoration, whether it is a big or small, real or artificial. It always looks magical. Decorate it with love and patience, and do not rush because slow work always gives the best result. Lights are the soul of Christmas decorations. Soft, warm lights make the home feel peaceful and cozy. Do not use too many lights. Simple lighting looks more elegant and saves electricity. Handmade ornaments give a special touch to Christmas decor. When you make decorations by hand, they carry your emotions. It is good advice to involve children in craft so they learn creativity and family bonding. Red, green, and white colors are classy Christmas colors. These colors give a traditional and fresh look. Try to keep a color theme so your decorations look neat and well planned. Candles make Christmas decorations look calm and spiritual. Their soft light brings peace to the heart. Always place candles safely and never leave them unattended because safety is more important than decoration. Wall decorations like wreaths and garlands make empty space. Beautiful, simple greenery with ribbons looks very classy. Remember, less decoration often looks more attractive than over decorating. Table decorations are very important for Christmas dinner. A simple table runner, candles, and small ornaments are enough. Good decorations teach us balanced and clean lines. Door decorations welcome guests with happiness. A beautiful wreath on the door gives a warm message. Always keep your entrance clean because first impressions matter a lot. Recycled decorations are a great idea. Using old jars, bottles, or paper saves money and protect nature. This teaches responsibility and respect for the environment. Christmas stockings are lovely decorations for kids and adults. They bring excitement and joy. Hang them neatly and avoid clutter so the place looks organized. Natural elements like pine cones, dried oranges, and leaves add beauty. They give a rustic and natural feel. Nature based decor reminds us to stay humble and thankful. And window decorations look very charming at night. Simple lights or paper stars are enough. Clean windows make decorations shine brighter, so clean lines is always important. Christmas centerpieces should be simple and elegant. Flowers candles are small figurines worked well. Do not block space because comfort is also part of good decor. Decorating the fireplace area looks very cozy. Garlands and lights make it the center of attention. Always keep safety in mind, especially near heat sources. Children love colorful and fun decorations. Allow them to express their ideas. Guiding them gently teaches discipline and creativity together. Outdoor decoration is spread happiness to neighbors too. Simple lights or stars are enough, but never compete with others. Decorate for joy, not for show. Christmas bells symbolize happiness and good news. Hanging them brings positive vibes. Soft decorations create peace in the home. And wooden and rustic decor gives a warm feeling. It looks simple but very stylish, but living always brings inner pieces. DIY paper crafts or budget friendly and beautiful. Paper stars and snowflakes are easy to make. Teaching children such crafts builds patience.